Hello there, friends. So today, we have a very special unboxing for you of the OnePlus 8 and the OnePlus 8 Pro. I don't know why I sound like a newscaster, but
I don't know, yeah, you have a little bit like theater voice going on.
Theater voice newscaster, that's my vibe. So I have no idea which box is which, but one of them is 8, the other one's 8 Pro, so let's get into it. It's kind of Russian roulette. So starting off, it's kind of a cool box because you slide this off and it's like, kind of gives you like vertigo. It's kind of a look. Now, besides definitely seeing this in a few sets from now on, actually, here, I'll take that. We have this fold up. This is just the regular OnePlus 8. The 8 Pro apparently shipped without this guy in there, so yeah. Now the thing is, I have a lack of fingernails, so that was a process. But here's some clouds. Here's a guy putting on his shoes. There's some jeans with a OnePlus on it. Oh, there's a guy laying down with his phone. How quirky. So putting that aside, ooh. Sandstone bumper case in this almost Tiffany. It's kind of Tiffany. Okay, got it. Ooh, it feels nice. I'm not a case person, but if I were, that'd probably be a case I'd put on my phone. Now we have some other cases. Obviously, this is not the retail boxing that you will get, but this box right here is. Here, there's a little open tab. That didn't really work as expected, but it's okay. Okay, so we have some information, a SIM card ejector. Do we get stickers? Oh, we do get stickers. My friends call me for tech support that cut deep. We have, these are actually kind of cool stickers. I don't mean to fanboy over the stickers, but I'm fanboying over the stickers.
We should have a P.O. box.
We should have a P.O. box just for stickers. Okay, so in here we have the warp charger, that's that, and then the phone, and then cable. Ooh, this looks really nice. So this sort of takes off where the 7T ended. That looks nice. Oh, this is called Interstellar Glow. So Interstellar Glow basically means blue, coral, orange, purple, kind of greenish. I don't know, it's very, like, it's iridescent. One thing that sort of reflects their design change is the logo is slightly different on the back, as well as the OnePlus branding on the bottom is now all caps. So that's kind of cool. It looks really nice and it feels great. Wow, the fingerprints just accumulated so fast. So putting this guy to the side, we are now going to look at the OnePlus 8 Pro. The booklet images are a little bit different. Basically, it just reflects the different design. Oh, she has a cat in this one. It's instantly more relatable. Okay, so again, another vertigo-inducing box. Open this junk. Same cases, but obviously the cutout's a little bit different because the camera's a little bit different. So we have carbon fiber one, carbon spelled with a K. Does that just mean it's fake carbon when they spell it with a K? So put that to the side, and now to the main event. I really wish I had fingernails sometimes. Okay. So I was lucky enough for OnePlus to hook me up with the green one, but also the one that's probably the closest to Tiffany I'll probably ever get. But before I dive into that, oh, this one comes with a clear case. It says never settle on it, so that's great. We have a charger, box, same situation. Into this phone. Oh. It looks so good. Like it changes I forget what the word is for this, but like depending on your angle, it changes color a little bit. but it's again, the closest to Tiffany I'll probably ever get with a smartphone. Oh man, it looks so good. Like it travels from a greenish Tiffany to a more baby blue. Oh, it looks so good. So this one is matte. This one is obviously high gloss. Now this 8 does come in this, I think it's called Glacier Green, but the Pro series does not come in this iridescent color. But yeah, no, oh man, that looks great. Now the one interesting thing to take note of, the Pro does not come with a screen protector on it, whereas the 8 does. I don't know why they decided to do that, but you know, hey. That camera bump is definitely bigger than last year. So yeah, no, this is the 7 Pro. That camera bump is probably twice as thick. So yeah, that's a big one. It's a big boy. You know, you can see the logo difference right there. The 1 is different, as well as the bottom branding is a bit different. But in terms of color, like, ah man, this is so nice. Why don't all phones come in this color? But OnePlus, if you're listening, thank you for doing this. I made a video, I think it was the 6T, where I was like pleading for a Tiffany version, and you made it happen, and I could not be more thankful. This is a good looking phone. I'm gonna be using this one first, and then I'll use that one second. Make a video about this one first. But I think the things that I'm most excited to try out, A, the camera, because I hear it's gotten exponentially better, but B, not really try out, but just have the color in my hand at all times. Now, as you can see, the edges are still very much curved. I believe, is it the same curve on this one? Maybe it's slightly less, but on this guy, the curves on this are definitely a bit more subtle than the 7 Pro from last year, which, you know, is a step in the right direction, but they're still there. But it feels really good in the hand. This is definitely it's slightly taller than the 7 Pro, and you can see it. You can definitely see it. Another change is they've taken away the pop-out selfie camera, and they've made a little hole punch in the screen. More on that in the full review, but it's an interesting choice. Not to be like hardcore gushing over this color, but I'm gushing over this color. Now, another big change about this 8 Pro is it can now wirelessly charge. It can use any Qi wireless charger as well as that high-speed one, but the only thing is this one can wirelessly charge, but this regular 8 cannot. I guess that just pushes for the Pro a bit more, I don't know. But again, more on that later. Anyways, that's been your quick unboxing and very minimal first impressions of these two phones. Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel for the full reviews of both of those, and thank you again for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye.